Selling a house with major structural issues. Rob Wilson with SouthTampaTeardowns.com. I'm in Palma Ceia today, and this property made it to 99 years old. But the family decided to sell to one of our trusted builder partners, in part because of some of the foundational issues that were going to be very, very expensive to deal with. So it simply made more sense for them to sell it to a builder. They actually found us through one of their neighbors who was kind enough to make a referral, and they had a pretty good idea of what kind of price they had in mind. And one step at a time, we put a very fair deal together that worked out for everybody. And they've even got a little bit of time after closing to move out their last few things, which is pretty advantageous. They actually, if I'm not mistaken, they sold their air conditioner, and it even looks like they took up some of the original hardwood floors, because in a lot of cases we'll allow you to take literally anything and everything of value that's inside the house, or just that's not going to compromise the structure and have folks in there that shouldn't be in there. So as long as it's not a window or a exterior door, you can probably take it if you sell your property to one of our trusted builder partners. Anyway, I'm Rob Wilson. I'm the Director of Dirt at Exit Bayshore Realty. If you've got an older home, even if it's approaching 100 years old and it simply doesn't make sense to try to restore it anymore, and you need to sell that property, give me a call. I can get you a fair offer with fewer hassles when you sell your house to a builder with SouthTampaTeardowns.com. Thanks.